Basically, I was really fascinated about the idea of creating things from scratch, and it feels like magic. Having a background in software engineering, I was good in my domain. So it was more or less like an enhancement to what I already knew. But USW was one of the few that were offering AI at the time separately, that had compact modules that are focused on what actually happens in the industry. USW has been really helpful, not even just with the academia, non-academia as well. We had a trip to Bletchley Park, which is a very important historical aspect in the computer science industry. And even after that, we had a trip to Vietnam, where we had the chance to go and learn from a couple of Vietnam universities and teach what we had to offer. USW, it's one of the best, if not the best, universities out here, and especially the staff, the people you meet, and the instructors, the professors you have. We had Dr. Mabruka supporting us all the way. The company is called Quantum Labs, and at Quantum Labs, we're building towards helping people who are elderly and who thrive on living independently in their own houses or in the care homes. It doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter what you do, but don't let that, stop you from getting yourself into the AI space. Just have that commitment to yourself and jump into it.